Craving a delicious Subway sandwich, but want to breeze through the checkout line? Let's get your mouth-watering meal faster by mastering Apple Pay at Subway in under 90 seconds. First things first, make sure you have Apple Pay set up on your iPhone or Apple Watch if you haven't already. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone, tap the plus icon, and follow the prompts to add your credit or debit card. When you're ready to pay at the Subway register, just let the Subway team know you're paying with Apple Pay. They'll likely prompt you to hold your device near the contactless payment terminal. Unlock your iPhone by double-clicking the side button, then authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Keep your iPhone close to the contactless reader until you see a check mark on your screen and the terminal indicates payment complete. And just like that, your delicious Subway treat is paid for. You'll receive a confirmation on your device, and you're good to go. It's that simple, fast, and secure. So next time you're at Subway, skip the fumbling and embrace the speed of Apple Pay. Happy eating!